Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are here with another question of mathematics, and this question will be solved with the help of BODMAS. The question stated that 12 divided by 4 plus 3 into 5 will be equal to what? So according to the BODMAS, first we have to solve the division. So 12 divided by 4 will be equal to 3. So rest of the number will be written as same, and then according to the BODMAS we have to solve then multiplication after division. So 3 into 5 will be equal to 15. So after that we have to perform addition. So 3 plus 15 equal to 18. So the answer will be 18. So I hope you understood this question very well. So do subscribe the channel for more updates like this. Thank you.